We're getting all the tools rolled out right now. By we, I mean me. Nobody else has shown up yet. Anyways, today our goal is to wrap up all that, trim it all out, get all of our bats up, and start working on the front. We have to wrap around the corner and down the back side of this place. Let's talk about what we got going for tools. We have the 12-inch skill saw miter saw. A little overkill for cutting small bats, but it works. Now here's the guns we're using on this project. This is the Everwin SCN65. I prefer this gun over the Makita. My dad prefers the Makita over this. This is a Harbor Freight gun. Going through this Hardie, it'll pretty much destroy any gun you shoot with. This little guy has a good warranty, and to be honest, it's not that bad. Along with that, we have the Hitachi. The Harbor Freight gun shoots a little bit better than the Hitachi just because of the fact that this gun is really, really old. So that's our game plan for today. Get all this batted out, trimmed out. We need to finish the lid on the front there. As you guys saw in the last video, that was the only thing we have left to do. Let's do a quick walkthrough. I'll show you guys what we have to do on the existing. So we're not doing anything here with the lid. The lid's gonna stay the same. We do have to finish up all these walls here, along with this back section. Not sure what's going on there. They don't have the window for that slot, but we might have to bury it. Let's get to it. So we're going smooth out on all of our trim. We want to make sure that the top of our trim here runs over that corner. It's got a little bit of a hump out there. Check our bottom. Bottom's good there. In the middle. One above, one below. We'll get the top trimmed out from that side all the way over. Go through and throw a few more nails in here and we should be good. Hooking that trim piece all the way over, looks like we have 138 3/4. We'll hook and pull on the bottom because they could be off a little bit. 138 3/4 plus a hair. Since we're going over multiple windows, we're going to see a little bit of a variance, and I don't want those finish nails pulling out. So we're actually going to nail this thing with our siding nailer. Considering it was 3 big windows, I would say we did all right. And that side. In my honest opinion, I'd much rather shoot all my trim on with siding nails, but finished nails are much easier to caulk. When we set these windows, we made sure that we had the same distance in between. We've got 3 9/16. 3 9/16, 3 9/16, 3.5, 3.5, 3.5, 47 13. We'll pull this way. 47 3/4 was the other side. I wrote on them left and right and I still got confused. Morning. Bada bing. So I showed you in the last video, but we got all this stuff skinned out here. Today we're gonna work on trimming the rest of this out, batting down here, trim corner, bat all this as well. At 5 guys, I posted a story post of the back of your neck. your tattoos.
Oh, really?
And I put, what are those? I got about 40 responses saying that they were ovaries.
On the back of my neck?
Yes. So, I then get a message and someone said, is that Matt Fox? So anyways, the message reads, is that Matt Fox? If so, the guy was kind of a local legend skateboarding wise 20 years ago or so.
Yeah.
If not, please disregard. They knew you.
Yeah, I know.
20 years later.
I did some big kickflips.
I did some big kickflips. Who is that?
It's Quentin.
You're looking good today.
Do I look alive?
You do, you look great.
I look like I have a whole bunch of energy.
Yeah, why is that?
I have no fucking clue.
Quick little update, we're getting off a break right now. All this is trimmed out behind me. We have the corner trim to do over here and the corner trim to do here. The only thing we have left to do as far as the new construction goes is finishing up that rake wall down the side there. We're gonna have a special cut 6 degrees along the bottom and we're gonna have a 5 across the top. It's gonna get fun. Let's get to it. 90 3/8. All right, you guys, so we have a cut list of bats up there. The bottom is a 6 degree cut, the top is a 5. I'm gonna show you guys what I would do in this case. Take a small handful of bats. You need to make sure that they're all going the same way. Smooth up on all 4. So we're gonna go ahead and mark center. And that was 96, go 96 and a half right there. So I've gone ahead and marked center. We're gonna cut all 4 of these on a 6 degree. That's our bottom cut. So now all we have to do is hook that short point and go to the long point of a 5 degree. And then on these guys, we're gonna go ahead and change this back to a 5. We're gonna push these up just a little bit more, whack those. Now these are all good to use for the top. So we can go ahead and pull off of there to our short point, as well as pulling off of the short point here to our long. So in a matter of seconds, we now have 8 bats that are dang near ready to go up on the wall. Lunch update. We are completely wrapped up top, aside from that corner. Once that corner's put on, we're gonna hop down, paper the existing, and start wrapping that in some sheets. Looks good. As you can see, all of our bats transfer up, straight through. Our layout is the same, bottom and top.
How's it going?
Doing pretty good. Can I get a one topping?
One topping? Sure. And can I get your name?
Matt.
Matt as well?
Yes.
Can I get a last initial?
P.
P?
Yes.
How's it going?
2 toppings, Gildrome, please.
Alright. And then can I get your name?
Oh, Matt.
Matt as well? Alright. And last initial? How's it going?
How's it going, Eddie?
And then can I get the last initial?
There. Okay. Got this section here all boarded. All the way down that way is done. We just have the last little bit of that wall down there to do. Got the top trim ran. All these bats are done. Trimmed around the window. Trimmed in between both of them.
Now we got all the high stuff done.
Yeah, ideally what we want to do is get this going here and skin it.
Yeah, if we can get everything skinned out, I think we'd be looking really good.
Papered first thing, skin this out,
Okay.
and then that can be trimmed out and done. And then what I want to do is figure out where we're at with the trim.
I'm not gonna say it's gonna keep clean, but it might get dirty tomorrow if you wear one.
Everything is dirty when you wear it.
All right, let's get the fuck out of here.
Good night.
Adios, guys.
See ya.
When you have a crew that is willing to show up as soon as the sun's up and take off as soon as that sun is down, you know you've got a good team. Overall though, we hit it hard today and it paid off. Tomorrow, we'll go at it again. Not much left to do, and this place is completely sided. Hope you guys are enjoying the little tips and tricks along the way. I know I'm not capable of slowing down enough to get in depth and show you exactly what I want to show you, but I hope you're learning a little bit each and every video. Out of here?
Yeah.
Good job today. That is all we have time for, guys. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to give it a big old thumbs up, drop a comment down below, hit that subscribe button, and turn on post notifications by clicking the little bell to the right of it. I will catch you guys next time. Bang on.